Hello everybody, welcome to Bitcoin AI price prediction, and let's get started. Last video that I recorded was on 21st of April. It was around here. Bitcoin was 86,000 and it was just approaching bull market support band, so-called bull market support band, somewhere here. It just climbed to there, and at that moment I decided to sell all my crypto. Of course, day after, Bitcoin went another 10% up. As you can see here, 6-8% doesn't matter, and that's it. I was expecting correction. I was expecting that we will have correction and one more test of this area, but it did not happen. Obviously, we went much further to much higher levels than we are still today. So I was mostly in Ethereum, who also jumped. Ethereum, US dollar, thank you. I was in Ethereum, who also went from 21st of April, here or here somewhere I exited. He went additional, I don't know, 12, 15, 16% up, and that's it. There is not much more to say into that. I still think that it was not worth decision to take my profit away, especially because I was buying somewhere in this area when we were approaching 75, below 80 I bought, so selling at 86 was, when Bitcoin was 86, was not so bad idea. What else I want to tell you, and why I'm making this video? Essentially, when we were here, how long we were? 1 month ago. 1 month ago, we were having this capitulation below 80k, and everybody was thinking that it is over, that everybody was bearish, everybody was thinking that party is over and that we lost our money. I did not lost money back then because I sold much earlier, doesn't matter. I sold 12th of November, somewhere here. And now, since we had this really decent jump in the price of almost 30% in 25 days, everybody again became bullish. For me, personally, this is at least what I see reading different forums, different Telegram chats, and so on. For me, that means that we are poised to have one really, really big correction, at least to this area once again. This is my opinion. For me to enter again into the crypto, Bitcoin will have to go below 90k. If we don't go below 90k, for me, this bull run is permanently over, and I have nothing to do more in the crypto. I have nothing more to do inside crypto. I will not earn any more money. I will just take my profits. Bull run was awesome. It lasted for 5 years, for 2 years, so nothing wrong taking profit and exiting at this stage of the market. I would like to point out that I'm still operating under assumption that this is all-time high for whole market cycle. I am operating under assumption that we will not see new all-time high in Bitcoin this year, or probably next year. Next year will probably be actually bear market. And I'm thinking that most of those jumps will be just dead cat bounces and stuff like that. This is why I'm usually buying altcoins, because I'm hoping for alt season, and at least what I'm thinking is that Ethereum Bitcoin chart, when you see it, it looks like on daily chart that it found bottom somewhere here. Like we are always at same level for last how much? Let's remove drawings for last 1 month, which actually did not happen for long time. And since we are almost how many days? Almost 2000 days since we were at those same levels, since Ethereum was so low compared to the Bitcoin, I think that Ethereum and other alts in general, because Bitcoin dominance is so high, I think that Ethereum is much better option for buying than Bitcoin. One more thing that I want to tell you. So Bitcoin, US dollar. Let's open bull market support band and let's switch to weekly chart. So essentially there are 3 levels that you can look for. One is top of bull market support band, which is 91. I don't think this is proper place to buy crypto. Second is 88. This is lowest level of bull market support band. And I think that 50-day moving average is somewhere around here at 86, 87, doesn't really matter. But ideally, we need to go to low 80s. So somewhere between 80 to 83, somewhere here, in order to start jumping back from stable coins into the non-stable coins, actually altcoins. That's more or less all from me in this video regarding my AI script. First version of this script, I still did not have time to work on the second version. My script is still really bullish. 72% is thinking that there is chance that Bitcoin will have higher price in 30 days than today, which doesn't mean a lot. It was much more bullish not so long time ago. For example, it was 85% on 25th of April. 85% on 25th of April, and 1 month before that it was 60 days ago, so 25th of March it was 34%, for example. It was really bearish. So this is, I think, more or less all from me. On this channel I'm writing, you have link to this channel, you can join it. Here I'm writing what I'm doing, when I'm buying, when I'm selling crypto, which I'm buying, which I'm selling. But as I said, for me, for now, this is just waiting game. Quick recap of my big movements during this bull market. 8th of March, I sold this here. Where is this here? This is weekly chart. Okay, let me switch to daily chart. So during this bull market, I was selling crypto. Actually, since I started this channel, I sold 8th of March here. I bought somewhere here. Then I was trading. My final entry into the market was here or here. Then I again sold here. And here I tried to trade a little bit, mostly unsuccessfully. Then I jumped into the market again here. And exited relatively soon here. So exit, entry, final entry. This was trading. Exit. I was always into the altcoins, so yes, I earned here 20%, but I actually earned 40 to 50% by holding stable coins instead of altcoins during this period of time. On the other hand, when I sold at this moment, at 12th of November, in next 2 weeks, alts went double the price. I was not exactly the alts that I was holding. But then again, those same alts, I was able to buy them for much lower price few months later. So as I said, I'm waiting for proper entry to the market. I still believe, let's remove drawings, remove indicators. I still believe that next drop, when we have it, it can be number one, same level as this, that we print double bottom as this one. Where are you? That we will print a double bottom, and after that we will get hopefully finally alt season or something worth something where we can earn some money, or we will have hopefully lower low, and if we get lower low, then it will be the final low inside this mini bear market that we had all this time. Let me mark you with some other color, with black color, okay. Or that will last from here to here, or however you want to draw it. I think this is all from me. This is my view personally on the market. For now it is waiting game and waiting to properly have correction, because after this type of move that was not pushed by Trump's election like we had here, this move, we were in uptrend before election. Let's face it, remove drawings. Before elections we were in uptrend. As you can see, we were printing higher lows, and higher highs all the time. And then elections came, I believe here, and everything went crazy. I believe that after this drop that we have here, or this drop, or maybe it will be lower low, we will start printing again this something like here, higher highs and higher lows relatively soon. If by any chance I am proven to be wrong and we have higher high than 109,000 of Bitcoin during this year, I will not complain a lot, of course. And I must be honest, I was expecting that top of this market cycle will be somewhere around 80 to 85,000. So somewhere here, I was proven wrong there also. Where is you? I was expecting that here we will have top somewhere. Obviously, I was proven wrong. So I was not expecting 100k this market cycle, but we got it. So nothing wrong with that, of course. It will be nothing wrong if we get above 109,000, but I'm operating under assumption that this will not happen, and I am trying to be conservative as possible and trying to save all profit that I got during this period of time. And the most important thing, I will tell you one more thing. The most important thing in crypto is not to buy. The most important thing is crypto is to avoid bear markets. If you can avoid bear market or most of the bear market, then you just need to hold and you will be able to earn a lot of money, obviously. I know that all alts look relatively bleak, but I have 3 alts that I'm betting on. One is Ethereum, second one is Uniswap, simply because Uniswap have this biggest decentralized exchange, and I think that they will not so easily go to zero, that this coin has some utility. And third one is, I know that many will laugh now at me, but I will say it, Dash. Former dark coin, simply because I will show you Dash chart. Dash USD chart. Daily. Of course, I am not expecting that Dash will ever in any future get back to $1,000. Let's face it, it will not happen. However, what Dash did, he printed higher high, and Dash have not done this in long time ago. He printed higher high in December of 2024, then in March of 2024. A lot of coins were unable. Let me see, Polkadot, for example. Polkadot was not able to do this. Look at Polkadot. December and March high were the same. It's not so big difference. Cardano, okay, Cardano was mentioned by Trump, so I will not. But look at Ethereum US dollar. In March, at beginning of 2024, it printed 4,000, and then it just repeated and went again to 4,000 in December of 2024. You got the point. And when you compare it to Dutch that made higher high at the end of 2024 than at beginning of 2024, this tells me that there is possibility that Dash will turn around and that it will start stop bleeding. Additionally, Dash made, well, they made a lot of mistakes, of course, but where was this chart? Dash USD. Okay. Additionally, Dash coin or Dark coin made a lot of mistakes. They were rebranding, they were changing what they will do with this coin and with this technology a lot of time. But if you follow their Twitter, they are still last time on this price 2000 days ago, in 2017. Yeah. So they are still developing their project. They are still adding new features to their project, and because of that, I think that it will not end up like complete scam that will go to zero. I think that this project will have utility. Of course, whoever is expecting $1,000 Dash, he doesn't have, it is not realistic. It will not happen. The most that I am expecting for Dash is maybe $100. Maybe, but this is even more optimistic. Like, if I sell it for 50, I will be more than happy when I buy it. First, I need to buy it. And this is more or less all from me. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, I am usually uploading videos once a week, once every 2 weeks or something like that. You can subscribe to YouTube channel. You can join this Telegram channel where my AI script is predicting and trying to predict what was happening in the future. And I will leave the link of Google spreadsheet where you can see all predictions that are made until now. The script started real work in 2024. Before that, it was all training data. Thank you all for watching. See you next time, and goodbye.